And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Have a great Monday. Be responsible. Be aware. Be audible. Have a nice day.
Make good choices!
Ramaga.
This is Sea Lion leader Trey Barr with this week's announcements. We are happy to announce that McGaw's Spiritwear store is open. Check out the store and get your latest spiritwear. The Sea Lions have collected 264 Robux so far this year. Keep doing the right thing even when nobody's watching. Life classes begin on Monday. Make sure you have a plan for checking into your new class. Charleston rap assemblies are being held on Wednesday. You can get ready for the holidays and support Project Seek at the same time. The first brag tag of the year is being awarded to all students with one or less absences on Thursday. Attendance matters at McGaw. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
I appreciate my friend Anne because she gave me a gift for my birthday. Did you miss me for being a great teacher? I want to say thank you to Mrs. Hess because she was the best and funniest teacher ever.
I appreciate Leo because he's my best friend. I'm grateful for my sister because she's so kind to me.
I appreciate Mr. Larson because he makes us really cool videos every Monday. We got a Robux. I got a Robux. UTK.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student from Miss Barr's class, Reagan Anderson. It says here that Reagan was so kind at play centers that she noticed a friend was sad and shared her toy with him to make him feel better. Thanks so much, Reagan.
Kindergarten.
Let's celebrate kindergarten student from Miss Sizemore's room, Judah Torres. Judah is aware and honorable. He helps others pick things up and he holds the door for others. We appreciate you, Judah. You've been making a great impression so far this year.
First grade.
Miss Annette wants to shout out superstar first grader from Miss Gardner's room, Amelia Lazama. She wants to say thank you for being so kind and for staying after group to help clean up. We appreciate kids who understand how to share their gratitude by doing a little extra. Thanks, Amelia.
Second grade.
Mrs. Rendell wants to celebrate second grader Lillian Kabachinsky. She said Lily helped her classmates get set up for success on Amira. She was a huge help. Way to go, Lily. Thanks for taking care of your classmates.
Third grade.
Mrs. Aniceto wants to celebrate third grader Sadie Mungo. She said Sadie had a great idea to share today about their story involving Judy Moody. We love it when students take a risk and share their thoughts.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to shout out fourth grader Josiah Ferris. He said Josiah helped me teach a small math group on estimation and exact amounts. He helps students learn the process, and by doing that, everyone benefits. Thanks so much, Josiah, for being a leader.
Fifth grade.
And finally, let's put our hands together for fifth grader from Miss Lou's class, Ryan G. It says that Ryan was so flexible and calm when a classmate was bothering him. Way to use your strategies, Ryan. We'll see you on the tetherball court. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.